Meanwhile, Senator Gregorio Onasan supports the Aquino administration's decision to bring the country's territorial claim against China to the International Tribunal. Onasan also wants a review of the country's treaty agreements with the U.S. Freddy Abando returns with this report.
The Philippines has a right to protect and preserve its sovereignty over its territorial waters from incursions of other nations. Senator Gregorio Onasan is in support of the President's policy of asserting the Philippines' claim of control on several islands of the Spratlys and the Scarborough Shoal. The claims are within the country's 200-mile exclusive economic zone. Onasan agrees with the decision of the President to raise the country's claim before an international tribunal.
Yang bang Mutual Defense Treaty, yung Visiting Forces Agreement, meron bang silbihan sa atin? Sinagasaan yung Tubata-Harip ng isang US ship. Sinagasaan ng isang Chinese fishing vessel. May tension sa Scarborough Shores. Nagtayo na ng structures. Hindi ba panlambot? Diba? Na hindi man lang natin maprotektahan yung mga kababayan natin, no? Yung ipamamana natin sa mga susunod na henerasyon.
For the past several months, China with its navy and fishing vessels sailed into the West Philippine Sea where the Scarborough Shoal is located. It has prevented local fishermen from fishing in an area which has been the source of their livelihood for so long. China's most recent incursion is in the Ayungin Shoal, one of several islands in the Kalayaan group of islands near Palawan. Because of this, Senator Onasan is pushing for a review of its foreign policy, focusing on the treaty agreements with the United States. Onasan is asking if the United States is ready to stand by the Philippines if the threat to its territorial waters is defied by other nations. Onasan wants an answer if the U.S. will fulfill its commitments in the Mutual Defense Treaty.
Tama yung ginagawa nila. Mahinahon, sabi nga ni Senator JB, no? Mahinahon, mapayapa at legal na pamaraan. Ngayon ang solusyon dyan talaga na matagal nang pinopropose ng mga pribadong individual, joint exploration and use.
Binibigyan natin ng pagkakataon na may resolve ito ng ating pamanaan. Kinakalimutan ng oposisyon, walang oposisyon administrasyon dito. Bigyan naman natin ng leeway ang ating administrasyon, ang ating pamalaan na ma-resolve ang mga gatong krisis. Kaya yun nga lang, gaya na sinabi ni Senator Onasan, dapat lang maging malinaw para masiguro na hindi na mauulit yung mga ganitong uri ng conflicts, no, na masiguro na tayo ay nasa tama o tayo po ay nasa lugar.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.